Are you looking for the best recumbent bikes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best recumbent bikes. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Stamina Elite Total Body Recumbent Exercise Bike. This bike is definitely for seniors that can handle a bit of physical strain. Stamina Elite created the bike with the idea that riders can work their lower and upper bodies simultaneously. Therefore, there's no handlebar but instead hand pedals. Because of this, the bike has the stability of an upright exercise bike rather than that of a recumbent bike. Even though the seat has a backrest and it can be pushed further back to be almost as comfortable as your favorite living room chair. As great as this bike is, you may need assistance putting it together. It weighs well over 100 pounds, which may be a bit much for an older individual. The design should fit comfortably any senior rider over 5 feet tall. But, it's not for the faint of heart. Although you can adjust the tension levels and monitor everything from speed to heart rate, this model is best suited for seniors that are still in decent shape. Moving on at number 4, we have the Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. The Exerpeutic 400XL is a folding recumbent bike. It's ideal to use as temporary gym equipment if you're recovering from injuries and you don't anticipate using it long-term. Storing the bike should come easy, even for seniors. In terms of fitness benefits, the 400XL has a lot to offer even as a basic recumbent bike. The 3-piece crank system offers consistent pedaling motion and quiet operation. This allows riders to follow training routines to the T so that all exercises are performed under the right parameters. The magnetic tension system is standard and has 8 adjustable levels. The first stage is very simple and can be both a warm-up or a workout, depending on your fitness level. In terms of comfort, the bike's not too shabby. The seat cushion is firm but well padded and the backrest offers good lower back and upper back support. You can't go all out, however, because there's no neck support. If you want to monitor your progress or your performance you can do so on the small LCD display. It shows readings for calories burned and pulse, among other more basic metrics. Although the bike may not look like much, it boasts a 300 lb. weight capacity which makes it a good tool for weight loss. At number 3, we have the 900XL Recumbent Exercise Bike. This is another comfortable recumbent exercise bike with a 300 lb. capacity. It's a good place to start if you want to improve your cardiovascular health and also lose some of those excess pounds. The magnetic tension has just 8 levels. While this may not seem overly impressive, it's important to know that the first 2 levels are very easy and can give you a great low-intensity workout. Starting on the first resistance level is obviously recommended. Statistics and readings are important for everyone, but even more so for seniors. Working out at an old age is not for everyone, so it's nice to have accurate readings and a diverse set of measurements on display while you're using a bike. The Exerpeutic 900XL has a large LCD display with clear indicators for time, speed, heart rate, distance, and calories burned. The sensors seem quite accurate, especially on low-intensity settings. When it comes to comfort, as with any other recumbent bike, the 900XL can take away or at least minimize most of the stress on your back and joints. Best of all, this recumbent bike is not just affordable but also among the best if getting the most value for your money is very important to you. Couple that with its durability, stability, and ease of use, and it becomes clear why it makes a lot of sense as an exercise bike for seniors. At number 2, we have the Schwinn Recumbent Bike. An intense but enjoyable workout is possible with the Schwinn 270 Geriatric Exercise Bike. It has a flywheel that weighs 17 pounds, 7.7 kilograms, which is enough weight for a comfortable and fluid pedaling. Although you might want to get a bike with a heavier flywheel for high-level training. And, yes, the Schwinn 270 offers plenty of programming options, so you can get workouts that truly fit your goals and fitness level. It has 12 preset workouts, 9 heart rate control workouts, 4 user profiles, 2 fitness tests, 1 quick start, and other options. Schwinn designed the 270 with your comfort and safety in mind. The chair doesn't have armrests, so you can get in and out of the bike with ease. It has adequate cushioning and lower back support. The back has ventilation holes to keep you cool throughout your workout. And, the bike sits closer to the ground, which is beneficial to you if you have balance problems. Listening to your favorite upbeat music while working out helps the time pass faster and improve the quality of your workout. The Schwinn 270 is equipped with a quality acoustic sound system, MP3, that you can use. Make your workouts more interesting by downloading Ride Social. This free app offers a wide selection of virtual reality routes from different parts of the world. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can set and keep track of your diet and exercise using well-known fitness apps, like the Schwinn Trainer, MyFitnessPal, and more. It can transfer data between devices or store your data to the Schwinn Connect website via USB connection. And finally at number 1. We have the Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike. Another budget-friendly recumbent exercise bike for seniors is the Marcy ME709. The design is simple, the operation is even easier, and the heavy-duty construction is something worth praising. The bike has a standard 8-level magnetic resistance mechanism. A tension knob controls everything, which means that setting the intensity level and pedaling difficulty couldn't be easier. The LCD screen shows readings for time, speed, calories, and distance. A heart monitor is not included. However, due to the low intensity of the exercises, it's unlikely that the heart rate will go up too much that it needs close monitoring. Not to mention that many seniors already own heart rate monitors. If not, getting a fitness monitor is an easy fix. The seat is well padded and ergonomically designed for ample back support. Even the handles are covered with foam. The bike is also very stable and features weighted pedals too, which should improve the rider's balance. In terms of assembly, the tools provided by the manufacturer are enough to get the job done. And, given the smaller bike frame, the assembly process can be a one-person job, but maybe not a senior person by themselves. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.